Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some Haitian plantain. So first you want to grab your Dutch pot, add some oil into the Dutch pot and leave this to heat up for a couple of minutes on a medium flame. Don't turn up the oil too high because you don't want it to splatter or you don't want to burn yourself basically. And here I'm taking my plantain and I'm just going to pierce it all the way down the edge and open it up. Here I'm just making some thick slices and then I put these to fry. So I fried this plantain for about 2 minutes on each side. Then here you can see that I'm just quickly turning them over. Just make sure that you don't burn them. Place them onto some kitchen paper towels to absorb the oil, then use a ramekin just to flatten them. For me, the flatter the better because those edges will crisp up when you fry the second time. Adding a pinch of salt to a bowl of water, then you just want to dip your plantains in them, take them out and pop them back onto some kitchen towel. Refry your plantain for about 3 minutes. Put them onto some kitchen towel so that it can absorb the oil, and then you can serve this with some pickles, which is like a fermented cabbage, carrot, and you've got some chilies and shallots in there. I can make a tutorial on how to make it if you like. This is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.